Hi Lepteli. Last week I attended a workshop on rna-seq data analysis, which was organized by Elixir Slovenia. We were using Chipster. Chipster is a nice bioinformatic tool which can be used for rna-seq or other sequencing data analysis. I'll show you in one of the future videos how to install it on your computer by using VirtualBox. But today we're going to speak more about Elixir, what Elixir is and what actions, what activities does it have. We were speaking with Dr. Brane Leskosek, which is the head of the Elixir node in Slovenia.
So what is Elixir? In one sentence, Elixir is infrastructure for life science information. So it covers all life sciences, from medicine, biology, pharmacy, agriculture, ecology. And how big is it? Actually, it started as a European initiative, and right now it's a priority research infrastructure in Europe, funded by European so-called nodes. Currently, I think, because the number rises quite significantly in the last period, is I think 21 or 22 members and one observer country from Europe, but we are also looking in a way globally. So we are collaborating well with NIH, so you probably heard for BD2K initiative in the USA. We are collaborating with Australia, with some African initiatives, especially in the field of training.
How can life science or biologists or scientists in general get in touch, or how can they benefit from Elixir? What can they get from it, or how can they contribute to it?
Yes, the benefits, maybe they are not on a first ball, as we say, but they are more long term. Mainly we focus on data and standardization, so-called, for example, FAIR initiative. That means we want to make all data and information findable, accessible, interoperable, and reusable. So we are actually setting up a kind of rules. I can't really say standards, but quite firm rules, and also collaborating with some standardization organizations, and actually do agreement first, especially with the member states, but also outside that. So some researcher, what would the benefits for the researcher be? So the researcher could, for example, more easily find the data and more easily use the data, because the data, it will be in the standard format. And there are also a variety of other, or diapason of other things. For example, we are setting up a registry of tools and services. It's a bio.tools web address, and there we want to collect all tools and services connect to bioinformatics. So the researcher, biologist, if he or she has some challenge, he or she would go there and search for this service and tool that will solve her challenge.
And one of the big part of Elixir is training as well. And you are planning some in the future. So
yeah, I mean, Elixir Slovenia, I say that we are, how to say, maybe a small note by funding contribution, but not small in mind. So we are aiming, so one of the first aims, our aims is training. So we are developing e-learning tools. So we are support many different training events with the e-learning tools. For example, like today's event was. So it was complemented by our e-learning platform. And next, what the next courses will be, we plan Unix, Linux command line course for beginners, Python for life scientists, genome assembly and annotation workshop in June. So there will be plenty of courses. And yes, please visit our website or website of Elixir Infrastructure in general.